Hi, welcome to one and all present in this video. Welcome to our JJP Trading Academy channel. This is my first video in our channel. So, I will be introducing about myself. My name is J. Prakash. I started my trading career before 6 years. I started as a beginner. Till now I have gained more knowledge about trading. I ensure that you will be getting more informations about trading and it will be more useful for you to start your trading career, and you will be become a successful trader if you watch continuously our videos. Okay, let's start our video. What is the stock market in India and basics of Indian stock market. Okay, the main thing is the stock market runs according to the two types of stock exchanges, that is BSE and NSE, Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. This BSE has been in existing since 1875. It has been started for 1875. It has been started. The NSE on the other hand was founded in 1992 and it has been started trading in 1994. After the NSE market only we have been came back to the online trading. After 1994 we have started the online trading. Until now the online trading is going on. First before the NSE, the traders will be moving on manually to the Bombay Stock Exchange, directly to the Bombay, and they will be placing the orders and making the position directly in the Bombay Stock Exchange. But nowadays you can easily trade with online. According to stock market, we are dividing the types into 5 types. The first type is scalping. Okay, if you are making a position of a stock for a, if you are purchasing a stock for 1 minute and closing your position, if you are buying a stock for 5 minutes or closing your position, this type of traders are considered as a scalpers, and this type of trading is considered as a scalpings. That means you will be having a more huge amounts and they will be making some strategies and they will be investing the money for only 1 minute and 5 minutes, and they will be closing the position and they will be making a profit. This type of traders are considered as a scalpers, and this type of trading is considered as a scalping. If you are a day trading means, I will be explaining the day trading. Day trading means it's considered as a, if you are making a purchase for the morning and closing your position for the market close before 3:30, it's considered as a day trading. And you can also carry forward for the next day and close your position. This type of traders are considered as a day traders, and this type of trading is considered as a day trading. If you are a swing trading means swing traders will be making a position for the weeks. The only period is matter from these types. If you are a swing trader, there will be more risky, but they will be making a position for a weeks, and this type of traders are considered as a swing traders. If you are going for the positional trading means, this is, in this the risk is more high and the reward also more high. If you are a positional trader, they will be analyzing the stock for a month and they will be making a position for 4 months, 5 months, at least 6 months they will be making for a position, and after that they will be gaining the more profit from that, and if they lost money also they will be losing money more. So this type of traders are considered as a positional trader. And according to the investing means, investing is one of the type of trading. That means they will be analyzing the stock for years of years. That will be, and the next year they will be closing their position, or another year they will be carry forward again and again. After that they will be closing the stock for huge profit. This needs more knowledge to make a position. That means if you are becoming investing trader means, you should be not bothered about your money. That means you are making your money as a savings. The savings money will be stored for the investing. This type of traders will be making only their savings as a investing. If they gain profit, they will be gain more. If they lost profit, they will be losing more money. This type of traders are called as investors. So this type of trading is investing. Till now we have seen what are the basics of stock market, and if you want to enter into the stock market, the main basic thing is you just need a demat account. Then only you can start your trading career. So to have a demat account, just go to the under link in the description. We have given our link for opening a demat account. You will be having the astatrade.com. After clicking on this link, you will be directed to this home page. After going to this home page, you need to open a demat account, means click on the open a demat account. After clicking on open a demat account, you need to enter your email ID and mobile number, and I want to open this user referral scheme. Then only you will be using our link and you can start your trading career. Just click on this button and enter your email ID, mobile number, and continue to sign up, and they will be asking you the details of your income proof, and they will be asking your PAN details. After giving every details, you will be opening a new account for your site to trade online. Okay, after opening a demat account, let's start our trading career. Hello everyone, till now we have seen in our video, we have seen what are the basic things about stock market, and we have also seen how to open a demat account as your own with our using our link. Go to the description and do the following things to open a demat account, then only you can start your trading career. And the next videos I will be posting what are all the main informations to become a successful trader. I will be posting more videos. Please follow our videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go to the description and if you will be getting the subscribe button. Please click on the subscribe button, then only you will be getting our next updated videos. And if you are trading for before, if you know any trading knowledge, and if you need any indicator tool, means we are providing our JGB powerful indicator. You can go to our Telegram channel. In the description link we have given our JGB powerful indicator Telegram channel. Go to the description and you will be getting our daily buy sell signals, which will be more accuracy to start your trading career. So just join our Telegram channel. If you need to get our indicator access, you will be getting our indicator in TradingView platform. So just WhatsApp us in 824882900. And thank you traders. Hereafter we are going to start your trading career perfectly.